Hello guys, yet another vlog. So let's talk about remitely, your solutions for seamless money transfers. So nowadays remitly is very helpful for everyone. In today's interconnected world, transferring money internationally is very essential. So if you want to transfer money from one or to your loved ones, I think remitly is the best solution, because supporting family, paying freelancers, or running a global business requires quick, secure, and affordable solutions. And it is indeed a very helpful subject. Remitly addresses this need by providing not just as a money transfer service but also means of trust, support, and opportunity globally. Millions depend on international payments for staying connected, from students abroad, migrant workers, and growing entrepreneurs. So it is very essential for everyone. However, traditional remittance methods often come with high fees, slow transaction, and confusing rates. So yes, indeed, it is very helpful. Remitly users focused technology driven system was designed to tackle these issues effectively. The underlying principle of remitly is that distance must not delay transactions. In the olden days, sending money from one place to another was very stressful. But whether you are in New York, Nairobi, or New Delhi, your funds are sent swiftly and securely, and you can make your loved ones happy in every end, whether it is a festive season or no. Because the platform offers an intuitive experience, users can easily send money, monitor transaction in real time, and understand fees and exchange rates clearly. There are no unexpected costs, just a trustworthy system that puts financial control in users' hands internationally. So guys, yes, remitly is very powerful. What differentiates remitly is its dedication to impact, not just geographically but also purposefully. So yes, it is fulfilling the purpose of every individual in every house. Remitly enables life enhancing connections, whether a parent pays university tuition, a nurse helps family members, or a startup compensates a remote developer. So yes, remotely each transactions represents personal connections and empowerment, showcasing the human stories behind every transfer. So I think this mission is driven focus resonates through Remitly's extensive global network, where you can send money to each other in every way, with partnerships in over 100 countries and support for local currencies. It facilitates both bank transfers and mobile wallet payments. Remitly promotes inclusivity, creating easy-to-use financial tools in underserved markets where access to financial is often limited. Security is paramount. So we can say it's secured in every end. With increasing cyber threats, users must feel assured that their funds and data are secure. So what else we need, guys? I think Remitly prioritize safety with advanced encryption, fraud monitoring, and adherence to international regulations. And As we go forward, their support team is available 24/7, offering multilingual assistance whenever needed. So, yeah, indeed, it's very helpful, and Remitly is evolving beyond just remittances. So guys, you can use Remitly in every, and whoever is not using Remitly can try for it. It is transitioning into a comprehensive financial platform, including features like bill payments, local cash pickups, and payroll integration for remote teams. The goal is to be financial companion for global mobile individuals who work and support others across abroads. Wow. As mobility shapes modern life, whether digital nomads thrive, global families expand, and remote work flourishes, Remitly fosters not only financial but also emotional connections. Indeed, yes, it is helpful. It links loved ones, simplifies business operations, and helps achieve dreams. Dreams of your passion, dreams of your ambition. And yes, so whenever your journey leads you across countries and cultures, Remitly ensures your money arrives as needed. In our mobile world, financial fluidity empowers you, allowing money to flow freely alongside your life. So guys, why not try Remitly? Subscribe for more guys. Bye bye.